What's up, pool guys and gals? We got a really cool video today. We are reviewing the ultimate pool tool. It is the 6 to 17 foot carbon fiber pole. We got to use this for a week or two, and we're going to show you what we think. It is awesome. It's 6 foot tall, and it goes all the way up to 17 feet. You can see it's got a little flex to it, but when you're really getting after it, it's got just enough rigidness where it can do what you need it to do. Super lightweight. This is like coming from an aluminum pole, it's a game changer. You won't ever come back. It has a stainless steel tip on it, so no more drilling out the holes or cutting your poles to make them fit. These holes, there's 4 holes here. They fit the brush. I haven't found anything they don't fit on yet. The coolest feature is this drain right here. When you pull it out of the pool, instead of having that water shoot out like a water gun coming out of there, it just drains nice and evenly.